Okay, we arrived here at about 6:45. I've already been inside to meet the wonderful Carlos. Great personality, by the way. So we're gonna walk around back and go look at the air handler first. Carlos had mentioned he hadn't had it really looked at since 2024, but he hasn't had any issues. So I'm not thinking that we're gonna have any issues, but we'll certainly find out. Thank you very much for the business, and let's see what we got going on. Okay, so like I said, I've done quite a few in here, and what we've come down to over the amount of experience we have inside of this certain area here is that these units are the original ones, and they are a little bit undersized. So you'll see right there, there you go, there is the model number and the serial number. When I look at this unit though, I really don't see anything blaring at me as far as any issues. I will tell you these coils are a little bit dirty. I do see a hose spigot over there. The easiest way to get these done is you get the hose and you just go straight down with the hose. Not side by side because you'll ruin the fins. So take the hose in there and go straight down, straight down, straight down, and you'll notice dirt coming off the bottom. That's because there's dirt going through these coils. You want to keep these coils clean because this fan is taking air over these coils, going through there, coming out through here, and it's taking the refrigerant that's going through the outdoor coils, putting it into the compressor, which is kind of like the heart of the system, and making sure that it compresses it again and sends it back through the air handler. When these get dirty, it becomes inefficient and not enough air goes through here in order for the compressor to do its job. So just go around the whole thing, water, boom, 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 you're done like that. Let's take this cover off and see what's going on. I'm also gonna be putting on, just so you know here, my job links. Job links again, it's gonna go through your whole system. And when it goes through the whole system, what it does is it makes sure that the system is running smoothly. It's like going to a doctor and getting an x-ray or a EKG. So we're gonna give that system a whole complete checkup, and then I'll be giving you the reports. So basically, so you know, all of these adapters here are gonna go right down over there. So we'll start doing that now and see how it's going for you. Okay, so I just took the cover off. Your contactor here is good, it's not pitted. Your capacitor looks a little bit old, but it doesn't matter if it looks old, it matters how it performs. My grandma's old, and that doesn't mean I'm done with her. I thought that was funny. Your board looks perfectly fine there too, and I do have the job links on there, so we're gonna kind of see what kind of report that gives us. I'll check back in. Okay, as I showed you, we're gonna add just a couple pounds of refrigerant in here, and then I will go ahead and suction out your drain line there. I did send you that thing on Amazon for you to get. Other than that, man, I'm telling you, my guess on the capacitor was correct. Just because it looks old doesn't mean it's old, so it's within specs. Let's keep that. And I'll show you what I'm doing here.
Yeah. You walk through the door and the air is still. The heat is rising, you've had your fill. But don't you worry, don't you lose your cool. We've got the tech, we've got the tools. 30 years of wisdom, Einstein smart. We put the service back in the heart. Forward thinking, tech in our hands, the best warranties in all the lands. Award-winning team, local and true. We're coming fast to rescue you. 90 minutes or we pay you back $200. That's the track. Smart home, air and heat. We never sleep. A promise made is a promise we keep. When you're coming home hot, we fix it fast. Comfort and quality, built to last. No job too big, no job too small. One simple click or a phone call. Open 24 hours, day or night. We're the experts making it right. Service with a smile, customer first. We're the best in the biz, quenching the thirst. 90 minutes or we pay you back.
Okay, so looking at the coils do have some a little bit of wear and tear on them. I don't see too much that it's bad. It's actually still working, so that's good. At one time we did have some growth here that someone cleaned out, but you know what they say, just because my grandma's old doesn't mean that we put her down. So this thing is still running. I do see some discoloration right over there. That might be a concern, but we're gonna keep a look at the pressures in the unit and just make sure that she's running okay. But she's blowing cold now, that's for darn sure.
The smartest cooling team around. 90 minutes, so we pay you back. Woo! $200. That's the track. Smart home, air and heat. Ooh, we never sleep. A promise made is a promise we keep. When you're coming home hot, we fix it fast. Comfort and quality.